What's going on, guys? Zach here, another video today. Trying to stick true to the one video a week. I don't really have a schedule down yet, but I'll work on that as time goes. Last video was me taking stuff out of the bay here. It's kind of going to be the same thing today, so if you don't really want to see that, maybe check back next week or something like that. I'm just trying to get everything stripped out here. Everything completely, because we're not going to go with any of this for the LS swap. Got a tote over there, everything's going in. I am trying to keep it for anyone that may need it. My uncle, he's a Datsun guy, or if he doesn't want it, then maybe somebody else does. The engine's back here behind me, right here. Same thing. It'll go to somebody else. It's not just going to sit around and go without. But so that's what I got going on today. And like I said, if this bores you, I apologize. I just wanted to show it because it's part of the process. But I try to speed it up, in the videos so y'all can see it, but yet y'all don't have to be watching it and fall asleep or whatever. But so we're gonna try to finish up, get done what I can. I'm here at the shop alone right now, and just try to get off everything I can. And if I can't get it off, I'll have to come back to it at a later date. But let's get to it. Thanks guys for watching. Look at that. That would have never worked. change of plans. I'm gonna go ahead and leave the footage in there because yeah, we've done that. There's a lot of stuff I need to unattach underneath the dash, and I want to take it out anyway. So I believe I'm gonna stop doing what I'm doing under there and start taking this dash out, and let's see where we get to. I don't know how much battery life I have left. I didn't charge it before I left the house, which was my mistake. But we'll make a video out of it anyway. It'll be a part 1 of dash removal, whatever. You get the idea. But let's try this. It's actually my first dash I've ever taken out. Luckily, it's on a 70-something model, so really it shouldn't be nowhere near as technological as some of these newer vehicles. And hopefully, it won't kick my ass. All right, guys. Just watch. Hope you enjoy. think it's loose, guys. We're about to find out. She's loose. Think about that. Got some cracks. It's all in good shape though, decently. But I don't know how much more we got. We'll keep going if we can. If not, this may be the video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. It's a big deal getting this dash out. Allows me a little bit more room to mess around underneath there on the inside. Complete the engine bay tear down, if you will. And now I can start looking at aftermarket gauges and possibly a new dash. I don't know. I might mess with this one, see what I can come up with. Let's still working with it. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh, that's more room for activity. AC unit. That's pretty neat. Obviously we're going to have to change it out, make it more modern. Yeah, I am going LS swap, but at the end of the day I still like to have a 700-800 horsepower turbocharged Datsun with AC. So if I can run the AC off the LS, figure out something in here to make it work, I'm going to try to do. So if anybody's got any ideas, anything they've seen, the grid, give me a link, a message, let me know.